Bexar County wants to change the way it responds to 911 calls for incidents involving mental health. Today, county commissioners approved a new pilot program with a $1.5 million investment. The program will retrain dispatchers to diagnose and intervene with these kinds of calls. Plus, they'll hire mental health professionals. County Judge Nelson Wolf has been pushing for this kind of change after a Bexar County deputy killed a military veteran last month. Damian Daniels was experiencing a mental health crisis when he was shot outside his home in far west Bexar County. Daniels will be laid to rest in his hometown of Montgomery, Alabama tomorrow morning. The Reverend Al Sharpton will officiate at his service.